आज हम करेंगे डिस्कस आइसोमेरिज्म इन अल्कोहल्स. Isomerism in alcohols. Alcohols, they exhibit isomerism. We know that isomerism is actually it is a phenomenon. हमारे पास ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं. We have organic compounds having same chemical formula but different structural formula or different properties. They are said to be isomers and the phenomenon is known as isomerism. So alcohols, a class of organic compounds, they exhibit isomerism, but they exhibit three types of isomerism. Number one, they exhibit chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. Number two, they exhibit position isomerism. Position isomerism. Number third, they exhibit functional isomerism. Functional isomerism. So first of all, we will take this chain isomerism. This isomerism is shown by the alcohols which contains 4 or more than 4 carbon atoms. जिनमें 4 या 4 से ज्यादा carbon atoms होंगे, those alcohols will show chain isomerism. So what is meant by the chain isomerism? This chain isomerism here, in this particular isomerism, here the isomers differ in the arrangement of carbon chain. That means alcohols having same chemical formula but different arrangement of the carbon chain. There are different arrangement of carbon atoms in carbon chain. How will we take an example? If I take CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, I will take CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2OH. So I will take this compound. So if I take this, this is 1, 2. This is 1. This is butane 1-ol. अब मैं यहाँ लिखूँगा 1, 2, 3. This is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. ये 2-methyl propane 1-ol है. So अगर हम इन दो को करेंगे carefully study, what we see here, the number of carbons atoms is same, number of hydrogen atoms is same, number of oxygens are same. That means they have same chemical form, these two compounds, but they differ in the arrangement of carbon chain. एक में carbon chain जो है that is straight and दूसरे में the carbon chain is branched. So यहाँ पर carbon chain branched है, यहाँ पर carbon chain straight है. So these are said to be position, these are said to be chain isomers. ये chain isomers है. That means butane 1-ol and 2-methyl propane 1-ol or chain isomers. ये chain isomers है. So here, what we have observed that these two isomers differ in the arrangement of carbon chain. एक में carbon chain straight है, दूसरे में carbon chain branched है. So अगर ऐसे होगा, यानी the isomers only differ in the arrangement of the carbon chain or carbon chain length, they are said to be chain isomers, and the phenomenon is known as chain isomerism. Now we'll take one more, that is position isomerism. Position isomerism. This isomerism is shown by the alcohols containing 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms, जिसमें 3 होंगे या 3 से ज्यादा कार्बन एटम होंगे. So here the isomers in this position isomerism, जो alcohols दिखाता है position isomerism, here the isomers, here the isomers are carbons, here the alcohols or isomers differ in the position taken up by the functional group. That means different position is taken by the functional group. यानी यहाँ पर वो करता है differ करते हैं isomers in the position of the functional group. In the different position of the functional group, a different position is taken by the functional group. For example, I will take CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. I will take CH3, CH2, CH2OH, CH3. यहाँ पर हम लिखिए, यहाँ पर the OH group is linked to carbon number 1, ये 2, 3, 4. यहाँ पर it is linked to carbon number 2, ये that means the functional group take different positions. यहाँ पर ये एक कंपाउंड में कार्बन नंबर 1 को अटैच है, दूसरे में कार्बन नंबर 2 को अटैच है. सो इसका नाम भी डिफरेंट होगा. दिस इज ब्यूटेन 1-ऑल, ये ब्यूटेन 2-ऑल होगा, ये ब्यूटेन 2-ऑल होगा. So these two are said to be position isomers because they differ in the position of the functional group. यानी ये डिफर करते हैं पोजीशन ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप. एक में जो पोजीशन है दैट इज कार्बन नंबर 2 अटैच टू द कार्बन नंबर 2, दूसरे में फंक्शन जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप है दैट मींस हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप दैट इज अटैच टू कार्बन नंबर 1. सो दीस आर सेड टू बी position isomers and the phenomenon is known as position isomerism. That means alcohols also show position isomerism. Number 3, that is functional. If functional isomerism, what it means? Functional isomerism is shown by alcohols. Alcohols दिखाते हैं, मतलब we have monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols containing 2 or more than 2 carbons. ये ऐसे मोनोहाइड्रिक होते हैं जिनमें 2 और more than 2 कार्बन्स होंगे, कार्बन एटम्स होंगे. They will show functional isomerism. What it means? यहाँ पर जो isomers है, that means chemical compounds या organic compounds having the same chemical formula but differ in the nature of the functional group. That means isomers having same chemical formula but contain different functional groups, जिनमें different functional group होंगे, यानी functional group का nature different होगा. For example, I will write an example: CH3 CH2OH, CH3OCH3. अगर हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर इनका केमिकल फॉर्मूला बिल्कुल सेम है, but this contains OH as functional group, this contains oxygen as ethereal oxygen as functional group, ethereal oxygen है. So this is alcohol, ये ethanol है, ethanol, this is ether, ये ether है. इसका मतलब है यहाँ पर ये दो कंपाउंड जो है they have same chemical formula but they differ in the nature of the functional group. They contain different functional groups, so therefore they are said to be functional isomers. ये functional isomers है, functional isomers. That means ethanol and ether are functional isomers. So I will put one more example. This is CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. I will take one more example. यहाँ पर इसका मैं ले लूँगा CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. So this is, ये एक कंपाउंड है, दिस इज अल्कोहल है ये. सो इसमें 4 कार्बन, इसमें भी 4 कार्बन है. सो ये और ये, इसमें हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप एस फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पर इथेरियल ऑक्सीजन फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. Therefore these two compounds having same chemical formula, they have same chemical but they differ in the nature of the functional group. That means they contain different functional groups. Therefore these two are said to be functional isomers. This is butane 1-ऑल and this is ethoxyethane. ये डाईइथाइल ईथर है, डाईइथाइल ईथर, ये डाईमिथाइल ईथर है. So these two are functional isomers. ये functional isomers है. So now we will conclude. Alcohols जो हम पढ़ते हैं, which under discussion, they show isomerism, but they show 3 types of isomerism. They show chain isomerism, they exhibit position isomerism, they exhibit functional isomerism. Chain में isomers differ in the element of carbon chain. So position में the isomers here differ in the position of the functional group. So functional isomerism में actually they differ in the nature of the functional group. That means the isomers contain different functional groups. Okay.